Hello children, today I am going to start the new chapter of SST. The chapter name is Clothes. In this chapter we are going to study that why do we need clothes and what clothes we should wear according to the different seasons. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Neat and well ironed clothes make us look smart. We wear clothes to cover our body, and clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. We look smart when we wear neat and well ironed clothes. Winter clothes. It is cold during winters, so we wear clothes made of wool in winters. We get wool from sheep to keep our body warm. In winter, it is very cold, and we wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep our body warm in winter season. We get wool from sheep, and woolen clothes are made from wool. Clothes like sweater, jackets, mufflers, these clothes we wear during winter seasons. Summer clothes. It is hot during summers, so we wear cotton clothes in the hot summer months. They keep our body cool. We should wear light colored clothes in summer. They do not absorb heat and keep our body cool. In summer it is very hot, so we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. And in summer season we should wear light color clothes because they do not absorb heat and keep our body cool. Children, you can see in the picture, these are the winter clothes like sweater, jacket, gloves, caps. These clothes we wear in winter season. And here is the picture of summer clothes. These clothes we wear in summer season. Special clothes. We wear a raincoat when it rains. It protects us from getting wet. Sometimes we use an umbrella. We wear gumboots to keep our feet dry. In rainy season it rains heavily. In rainy season we use raincoat. Raincoat protect us from getting dry. And sometimes we use an umbrella also in rainy season. We wear gumboots to keep our feet dry. In schools and some offices, people wear special type of clothes. They are called uniform. Uniform is a special type of clothes which some people like nurse, doctor, soldiers wear to work in. As you can see in the picture, children, like nurse, army man, policeman, a child wearing a different types of uniform where they work. So these are uniform is a special type of clothes which some people wear. For example, nurse, army man, policeman, children who go to school, etc. People living in different places wear different types of clothes. Now some good habits we should remember. Number 1 is always wear neat and clean clothes. We should wear neat and clean clothes. Number 2 is the clothes should be well ironed. We should wear well ironed clothes because it makes us look smart. Number 3 is the dress you wear should be neither too tight nor too loose. Children, we should always wear comfortable clothes. It should not be too tight, not be too loose. What we have learned in this chapter? We learned that clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. We wear woolen clothes in winter season like sweater. We wear cotton clothes in summer season like cotton frock. We use raincoat, gumboots and an umbrella when it rains. And we should always wear good and clean clothes. I hope you have understood this chapter, children. Thank you, children, and bye.